Class 2, Lecture 9, Subject English Grammar, Topic Not and No. Good morning, students. Take out your English 4 lines notebooks, draw margin line, write date, subject and date. After that, draw an arrow like this and write not and no like this. Then write not and start writing its explanation. It is used for negative statement. Not is used for negative statement. And then write no. It is used to give a negative response. It is an act of refusing or denying. Whenever you refuse something, so you can answer it in no. But whenever we are giving some negative statement, so we have to use not. Let's write its exercise. Write exercise like this. Make the following statements true by adding not or no. You will have to change or add some other words too. Dear students, you have some sentences given. You have to do what? Sentences or statements. You have to do what? You have to change them by adding not or no. So, when you change it, so it might possible that you have to change some other words or add some other words as well. Start writing. Number 1. Cats have 2 tails. So, I rewrite it by adding not. So do one thing, make a star like this for rewriting. Cats have 2 tails, number 1. Then make a star and write cats do not have 2 tails. We have used do. Why? Because cats are plural. If we have cats, so we have to add does. But right now they are in the form of plural. They are more than one, so that's why we have to use do. You have to do what? You just have to rewrite it. I already did it for you. On number 2, we have goats like eating meat. Rewrite it by adding a star. Goats do not like eating meat. Again, goats are plural, so that's why we have add do. Now look at number 3. When there are stars in the sky, it is daytime. Rewrite it. When there are no stars in the sky, it is daytime. Leave a line and write number 4. A boat with holes in the float. Rewrite it. A boat with no holes in the float. Then leave a line and write number 5. The cow jumped over the moon. Rewrite it. The cow doesn't jump over the moon. Cow is singular, that's why we have used does. And not is here. So in its exercise, it is said that add no and not both the words. So we have to see that which one suits which statement or sentence. Simply copy it, rewrite it neatly and correctly, and then learn it and practice it in your rough work notebooks. Thank you, students.